India's textile sector had suddenly come in the spotlight after US tariffs were announced. In this scenario, one stock that investors are closely watching is Gokaldas Export. The company has quietly built a strong position in garment export and could be one of the key players in this changing environment. In this video, we'll break down business model, financials and technical chart pattern. Make sure you stick around till the end to get the complete picture. Gokaldas Export is one of India's largest apparel manufacturer and exporters. They have built a strong reputation over a decade for delivering a high volume, cost-efficient garment to some of the biggest brands. When I say big, think of a name like Adidas, Puma, Gap, H&M, Marks Spencer, Walmart and even Columbia. These outfits are not just on the rack, they are Gokaldas creation, stitched with the precision and shipped all over the world. What gives them a real edge is their expensive manufacturing footprint across India. They are not just exporters, they provide end-to-end solution from fabric cutting to embroidery, printing, washing and quality to packaging. It's a full-stack operation. Now here's the kicker. Who is betting big on Gokaldas? Some of the largest institutional funds in the world. I'm talking Goldman Sachs, Abu Dhabi, Vanguard, plus SBI Mutual Fund, Nippon India, HSBC, Aditya Birla and among others. That kind of global investors backing speaks volume about their growth potential. The textile and the garment industry is heavily dependent on the export, and the recent US tariff news has put the spotlight on the companies like Gokaldas. While tariff may create near-term challenges, India is still considered an alternative to China in the global supply chain. With the global brand diversifying sourcing away from China, players like Gokaldas stand to be benefit in the long run. Interestingly, Gokaldas has been focusing on the capacity expansion and new client acquisition. The management has highlighted the strong order book from the global brand, which shows the continued demand even in the volatile environment. At the same time, the textile sector is lobbying for the government support in the light of US tariff. So any relief measure could also support companies like Gokaldas. Now let's dive into the numbers, because numbers tell the real story. Over the past 5 years, Gokaldas Export has shown a consistent revenue growth, riding on a higher order volume from the global client. They have been on the rise thanks to the tighter cost management and a smarter operation. But let me throw in some fresh stat. In the trailing 12 months, the company reported a 3,888 crore of revenue, which is the highest ever, with the OPM growth of 10%, while the net profit with the solid numbers of 173 crore, which is also highest ever. Now yes, the company paid 81 crore in this trailing 12 months, and it is because of debt to equity ratio of 0.41. But here's the twist, this is not the bad news. That rise in debt is tied to investment in fixed assets, buildings and machineries, and that's actually a positive sign of capacity expansion. So while export business always remains sensitive to global demand cycle and a forex swing, the financial foundation of Gokaldas is looking stronger than ever. From the valuation perspective, the company is not very expensive as compared to its peers. Analyst believes that if the company continues its growth momentum, it could reiterate in the coming years. The long-term story is about India becoming a major garment hub, and Gokaldas Export is positioned to ride that wave. Now I'll discuss technical chart pattern. Shiva Ganpati, the CEO of the company, joined in 2017. From 2017 till 23, the stock price jumped more than 10 times, a huge growth under his leadership. But if you look at the recent trend, since October 23, the stock has been moving in a range between 700 on the lower side and 990 on the higher side. The main reason, in the last 5 quarters, the company's revenue has stayed almost at the same level, but the net profit is slowly increasing. So the big question is, how much time it will take to regain its previous high? Please let me know in the comment below. Please take this video as a study purpose. This is not a buy sell call. What do you think? Can Gokaldas Export be a dog horse in the textile sector? Please let me know your views in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. And please let me know in the comment below which stock you would like me to next analyze. We'll back in next video. Till time, happy investing.